Next, the following is the map of a hill station. Here north, south, west and east. Some pictures are given. You can see here field, school, farmhouse, banyan tree, bridge 3, river, bridge 2, bridge 1, lake and mountain. Then the first question is lake is dash of the mountain. Where is the lake? Lake is the, listen here, this direction is south. Then lake is south of the mountain. The field is there, field is north of the school. Next, the house is dash of the banyan tree. Then banyan tree, this direction is east, this one is north, then this direction is northeast. Next, mountain is dash of the farmhouse. Where is the farmhouse? Farmhouse is there. Then to the west of the mountain is the dash of the farmhouse. Then farmhouse is here. Then mountain is here. That is the mountain is east of the farmhouse. Next question. Write the place that can be found on this grid. F2. Where is F? F is here. Then 1, 2. That is F2 is farmhouse. Next I, 7. I is here given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is house. I7 is house. Next H13. H13 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That is the lake. H13 is the lake. Next is the L3. L3 is, L is here. L1, 2, 3 is the, 3 is banyan tree. L3 is banyan tree. The next question. Follow this direction. Start from K1. Write your place on the grid. Down to write 3. Down to means your place is here. Your place is here. Down to means 1, 2 and write 3. Write 3. 1, 2, 3. That is M4 is your answer. M4 is your answer. Next write 5 up 3. Write 3. Write 5 up 3. Write 5. You are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 3. 1, 2, 3. Write 3. 1, 2, 3. That is H9 is your place. H9 is your place. Next up 6. Write 10. Up 6. Write 10. Then your place is K1. K1 up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is E11. E11 is your place. And up 3, write 12, up 1. Up 3. Your place is here. Up 3 means 1, 2, 3. Write 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then up 1 here. That is G13 is your place. Good morning dear students. Our next topic is maps and directions. What is a map? We know that we live in Earth. Earth is a shape of a huge ball. Shape of a huge ball. That is the model of our Earth is called a globe. That is a small globe is given here. You can see the globe, the countries are marked here, but for our easy, the pictures are drawn in a plain figure. That is called the map. A map is a diagrammatic representation of the geographical locations, climatic conditions, landmarks, and other significant information about the distance, direction, and size. Here, two students are finding their location. Then she said, "We are in Vasant Vihar, Delhi. Let's find our location through a map." Let us see how to find the location. First, they go through the world map and find our country, India. Then located here, India. Then they find the Delhi. You can see here they located here the Delhi. Then this Delhi is enlarged from India's map, that is here Delhi is enlarged southwest Delhi, and they located their cities, their street. The same method you can find your localities, your school localities also. Next is the direction sense on a map. There are 4 main directions: north, south, east, and west. There are 4 main directions: north, south, east, and west. Then a compass needle used to find the direction: north, east, west, and south. Then here in the map, this position, that is the upwards is the north, and downward is the south, and your right side is the east and left side is the west. Then this portion is called south, and middle of the south and east is called southeast, middle of west and south, southwest, middle of west and north, northwest, middle of north and east is northeast. The hands of a clock move on in the direction shown. The clock moves in the right direction. Then this motion is called the clockwise direction. That is clockwise direction. That is towards the right is the clockwise direction, and the anti-clockwise direction means towards the left side. Towards the left is called the anti-clockwise direction. The clock moves towards the direct is called the clockwise direction, but in the earth moves in the anti-clockwise direction, that is towards the left. The earth is rotated anti-clockwise. The earth is rotated in anti-clockwise direction. Our clock is rotated into the right. Towards the right is the clockwise direction. One example is given here. Tina is standing in the middle of an open field. Look at the places around Tina. That is railway station, school, zoo, hospital, beach, garden, pool, home. Then school is to the north, garden is to the south, then hospital is to the north, then not north. Hospital is to the east and the home is to the west. Then this is north and this one is east. Then zoo is northeast. Railway station is between the north and west, that is northwest. Pool is between the west and south, that is southwest direction. Beach is in the south east southeast to the Tina. Now you can write the answer. The school is to the north to the Tina. The home is to the west of Tina. The railway station is north to the northwest of Tina. The hospital is to the east of Tina. Next question. We can also tell what the direction one object is from the another. Here red dot. You can see here red dot and a pink dot here. Can you see here? This one is the red dot, this one is black, this one is pink, and this one is green, and this one is the purple. Red, black, pink, green, and a purple dot. The red dot is to the south of the pink dot. Red dot is south of the pink dot. The second question, the pink dot is to the north of the red dot. Pink dot is to the north. Yes, this one is the upward direction. Then this one is the north to the red. Then pink dot is to the northeast of the black dot. North, this one is north, this side is east. Then this direction is northeast. The green dot is north to the red dot. Yes, this direction is north. Then green dot is north to the red dot. Then red dot is southwest of the purple dot. Then purple dot, this one is west and this one is south. This direction is southwest direction. The yellow dot is to the southeast of the green dot. Then green dot, this direction is south, this direction is east, then this direction is southeast direction. The next question, state whether the following are true or false. Here one room plan is given: bathroom, kitchen, dining room, living room, passage, parents' bedroom, Sia's bedroom, family room. Then some questions are given here. You can write true or false. The length of the family room is more than the bathroom. The length of the family room is more than the bathroom. It is true or false. You can see the both rooms have the same length, but width is different, but the room has same, both room has same length. So it is false. The length of the passage is equal to the length of the house. Passage length is here to here, but the room length is this one. Then the statement is false. The symbol of this one denotes the window. This symbol denotes the door, not windows. Then the statement is false. The length of the dining room is more than the half the length of living room. The length of the dining room is, dining room's length is this one, that is half of the living room. Living room length is this one. Then half is comes to this portion. Then dining room is not equal to the half of the living room. Then the statement is false. Next is study the map with the help of key and answer given the questions. Then keys are given here: blackboard, window, dustbin, cupboard, desk, display board, notice board, door, and a teacher chair with a table. Then pictures are given here: desk, then notice board, display board, teacher's chair, blackboard, cupboard, display board, then notice board, windows, Do you think according to the above seating arrangement shown, every child will be able to see the blackboard clearly? That is, the sitting arrangement are here, blackboard is here. All the children can see the blackboard. True or false? Yes or no, you can write. The next question, do you feel there is enough space to move freely for the children in the classroom? Listen here, you can see the enough space for between the each desk. Can you see here? Yes, here enough space for each children can freely move. Next question, when you enter the classroom through the door, take a right turn. With which object will you see? That is the door. You come to the classroom, come inside, then you take the right turn. Then here, this one, that what is this? See the keyboard. You can see here, this key is given here, window. Then first you enter the classroom and take a turn, right turn, then you can see this window. The next question, draw two other seating arrangement for this classroom which you think more appropriate. Draw two other seating arrangement. Then you can draw another two seating arrangement in the classroom. Means arrange these keyboards and arrange two types. That is, other two settings you can draw here. Same this picture, you can draw another two seating arrangement. In this picture, one floor plan is given here. This one is the plan. This one shows window, window, door and window. Then some houses pictures are also given here. You will find the floor plan is for which house. You can see starting from this side, here window, all the houses, 1, 2, 3 houses have windows here. Next window is here. Yes, you can see this house has no windows. There is a door. Then this house has windows. This one has windows and this one has also window. Yes, next is the door. Door here. Then you can check this figure. Here window. Then this house is not. Then again these two houses have door. Then again here window. But in this house has door. But this house has a window. Then window, door, window, window. Window, door, window, window. Then this floor plan is for this house. The following is the map of hill station. Here some pictures are given: farmhouse, field, schoolhouse, mountain, lake, bridge,